For these incline dumbbell chest presses, you are going to set your bench at the next notch up. So we're looking at about a 30 to 45-degree incline here. From there, make sure your feet are planted nice on the ground. Go ahead and turn on those abs, turn on those glutes as always. Have your dumbbells in each hand. When you press them up into the sky, you want them to be hovering just above your chest. From there, you're going to pull them out of the sky. Don't just let your elbows drop. You're going to pull them out of the sky and go as deep as you can into your bottom range of this movement, getting a nice stretch in your chest at the exact same time. From there, push up and repeat the movement. Something to note is that when you are pressing the dumbbells into the air, you don't want to protract your shoulder blades. So make sure that your shoulder girdle stays engaged the entire time.